Right, so in this video we are dividing algebraic fractions. Again, we're being asked to express the following as a single fraction in its simplest form. So the first thing we need to do when dividing a fraction is we flip the second fraction upside down and change it into a multiplication. And then we just multiply the tops and multiply the bottoms. Okay, so again, I want to quickly first flip that fraction and change the sign. And I want to multiply the tops. So I'm now going to have 7x times 2y all over y times x. And rather than writing x squared, I am actually just going to write that as x times x. Because now I can cancel out any pairs. So there's an x, and a y and a y. And so my final answer is going to be 14 over x. It's the same idea here. So I want to flip that fraction. And then multiply the tops and bottoms. Before I do that, I'm just noticed that I've got that 12 and an 8. Highest common factor for them both is 4. So I'm just going to change that 12 into 4 times 3. And that 8 will be 4 times 2 when I get there. But the 12 is 4 times 3 times, and I'm just going to break apart that a again. And then I've got to multiply it by c cubed. So I'm just going to break that up as c times c times c. And on the bottom, I've got b times c times 8, but I'm just going to break it up as 4 times 2. And times a times b. And then cancel off my pairs. So I've got a 4 and a 4, a and an a, c and a c. So my final answer, what I've got left on the top there is 3a. I've got 2 c's left, so that's going to be c squared. I've got a 2, and then 2 b's are left, so that's going to be b squared. Okay, and then the last one. So I'm going to put brackets around it before I do anything. And again, going to flip that fraction. And change the sign. And then multiply the tops. And multiply the bottoms. Now at this point here, it might be very tempting to just move on. But if we take a look at this bracket here, what I've got there, I've got my 9 minus t squared. Now I can square root the 9 and I can square root that t squared, and I've got that minus sign. So that means it's in the form of a squared minus b squared, which means I can factorize it using that little trick. So that's actually, I can rewrite that as 3 plus t and 3 minus t. And so if I was to rewrite it like that, on the bottom there, I've got 3 plus t, 3 minus t, and now I've got a pair of factors that I can cancel out because I've got a bracket that's the same on the top and the bottom. So it's something to watch out for when dealing with these questions. And that is it. Let me know if there are any issues, and good luck with the work.